Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me give it a couple minutes. How we doing though? How we doing this morning? How we doing? How we doing? Alrighty. Right now, pretty much I just want to see a retest of this 3 minute. Pretty much 25,208. It's about 40 points higher from where we currently are. Good to hear, good to hear. All right. Um, Honestly, I'm liking Rocket Lab even more to the point to where I kind of want to make this a bigger position. Let me see. It's Ivy and everything doing. Costco is well in the money. Costco is in the money. Um, hmm. hmm. We're up 3%, but let me see what's Ivy doing. Um, 52. Ivy 117. I think Ivy can continuously increase here, to be honest. I could see this going to like 150. And the put side, Ivy's already at 125. All right, if we close below this range, we see more downside right here. I'll scalp some SPX for y'all. Screw it. Scalping SPX while looking at NQ. Um, NQ is less bearish. ES is actually a whole lot more bearish than NQ right now. What is this? 800 contracts. Just to see where this closes here. All right, so buyers so far are holding up this 1 minute fair value gap. Need to wait for another 1 minute candle, pretty much. All right, so call trigger would be 222. Personally, I still wouldn't really like to take calls just because of how bearish we are, but I mean, we could scalp it potentially if call side does trigger. Um, Put side, well, we're already pretty damn bearish. We've already hit the extremes of this fair value gap range, which is why it's very likely we could see some retracement. Rocket Lab, yeah, 14%. All right, so pretty much just told the community, we're gonna average down. Well, I mean, it's not averaging down; it's averaging up. But we're gonna add to this position. Essentially, it's still a lotto position just because it is earnings. Earnings. If anybody tells you they know where earnings is gonna go, retail trader wise. Now, if somebody works, for Tesla or Netflix or something like that, that's completely different. But yeah, if somebody doesn't work for one of those companies and have a very high up position, probably wouldn't take their advice. But yeah, earnings, complete lotto. Anything can happen on earnings. You've seen companies fail by 30%, and then next thing you know, we're up 15% aftermarket. You've seen companies double beat by like 10%, and then next thing you know, they crash and shit and burn. So yeah, earnings pretty much a lotto, unless you have personal insight, which if you do, um, just shoot me a DM. On Twitter specifically, since it claims to be encrypted. If it's actually encrypted, nobody will ever know. But yeah, right now, Rocket Lab does look pretty damn good. Kind of. Let me see what the spreads are like. If the spreads are bad, oh no, spreads are good. All right, if we go back to like break even, we're down. Pretty much that's where I want to add. All right, cool. Looks like I should lower here. Did we get the close? We're just not getting the close. This is ugly. All right, it's a decent rejection spot. All right, I'm taking these puts just because stop loss is so damn tight, like unbelievably tight. Like literally, if this 1 minute closes above this high, I'd be stopped out. Yeah, stopped out. Pretty much the fact is we didn't take this low. I'm not really sure if there's divergence or not, but we're likely coming back up to test the top of this range. Such a risky scalp. It is a risky scalp, but I kind of am in a mood to be a little risky. I'm in a mood to be a little risky. Yeah, like we should have taken out this low and seen some type of continuation. We still can, but personally, I just listened to my strategy. We got to close above 163, which I didn't want to see the close, which my strategy is telling me to get the hell out because likely price could push up as we're currently doing. And now we're pushing back down. Cool. Just gonna stick with the trend. Um, that's a good sign. Basically, it's letting me know that we're gonna deal with bullshit price action when you're looking at retracement. Pretty much, the fact is that we just closed above this range and then closed right back below it. It's letting me know the 1 minute can't really be trusted today whatsoever. Probably stay on like the 2 minute, maybe even the 3 minute. Damn, yeah, 2 minute and 3 minute looks a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. All right, let me get the hell off the 1 minute. My apologies. Ah, get the hell off the 1 minute. All right. Well, looking at it at the 2 minute, um, theoretically, never really got close. And now we just keep dumping. And we just had a decent entry. Really decent. I'm willing to jump right back in. I just need to see one little quick push back up. Hopefully. Let me see if there's divergence, if I can move fast enough. Divergence, divergence. No crazy divergence. Way it's setting up looks like it just wants to keep tanking. Oh, I'm pissed right now. What the hell? I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. All right. Let me lock in, y'all. Let me lock in. I'm actually really pissed right now. It's just gonna keep tanking. It's literally just gonna keep dropping and dropping and dropping. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Ugh. This is why you don't trade the 1 minute time frame. I'm actually pissed. All right. Hmm. And honestly, I'm only pissed because it's just like I journaled this morning. Um, I know what I got to do for today, and the fact is that mistake just happened. I'm very hard on myself. That's just who I am. You know, I feel like all greats are hard on themselves. And that's just who I am. So yeah, that's why I'm pissed about it. Cause just like what the fuck, those contracts are literally worth they're up 100%. Yeah, they're up 100%. It's just gonna keep tanking. It's literally just gonna keep tanking, and keep tanking. Next thing you know, shit, we take out Tuesday's low, and that was a really decent entry, just not based on a 1 minute time frame. Any other time frame, great entry actually. It's based on a 1 minute. There's no signs of pullbacks whatsoever. Yeah, we're not getting a pullback. Yeah, we're not getting a pullback. By the time the pullback happens, you probably don't want to be trading. Basically, what's likely going to happen is see it's probably pushing out a little bit more from here. But then at some point, we are going to eventually start to just consolidate. What's going to happen? We're just going to consolidate and seek some type of minor retracement, and then we'll probably see expansion later on. Yeah, this thing's just gonna keep tanking. And those contracts are now worth $20. Oh, $600 to $20. $6 to 20. So one way I personally like kind of mentally, I guess, I wouldn't say torture, but teach myself to not make the same fuck ups twice. As yeah, when you like, you know, I guess close a winning trade and you just watch it keep going up and up and up and up and up and up and up, it's gonna piss you off. It's gonna piss you off. And if you have discipline, you're not getting pissed off like in the aspect of having FOMO. You're just kind of getting pissed off like, okay, next time I'm not gonna make the same fuck up again. Which was just trading damn 1 minute time frame, personally. Mm-mm-mm-mm. And now I can't do nothing but watch. Like there's no entry model. I wouldn't chase this. I wouldn't just jump in here. Just wouldn't. Like chasing this is actually I'd say probably suicidal. Because yeah, we could eventually start to bottom out. I mean, we don't have any higher time frames. Well, we do have some hourly ranges right now. But none of these levels are really being respected. We would have to reclaim pretty much 25,000. Currently we're about 40 points below 25,000. And every bullish move just gets shot right back down. To the point to where I really don't think we get an entry model. Yeah, just gonna keep going down. 10 minutes of nonstop red. Those contracts are now in the money and also up like 300 fucking percent. 300% right now. 300. And it's just gonna keep going lower. It's probably coming down now to 840, 848. Hopefully buyers step in at 911. Hopefully. All right, so we just took 911. Maybe we see some type of retracement. Maybe. Hopefully. We're just gonna keep trending lower all day long. It's a bearish trend day. I just need to see some type of retracement. Shit, give me a green 5 minute candle and I'll probably jump in on that. Yeah, literally since 9:30 we've had one green candle. And if you look at it, it barely closed green. Barely. guess the good thing 9/11's holding up. No pun intended. Um, but yeah, hopefully this candle closes green. If it closes green, we could potentially see some type of retracement. I just want to see some type of retracement. And yeah, when you jump in some damn puts, literally every single candle is just red on the 1 minute time frame. If you look at ES here, every single candle, red. Oh, wrong ES. Every single candle. And let me see. Technically, ES did the same thing from our entry. Uh, because I was looking at NQ when I jumped in here. So this didn't form yet. And once we close below this, dump. All right, cool. Let me just pay attention to ES if I'm going to trade SPX as well. So the fact is there's no top wick, likely this candle pushes up into this fair value gap. Very likely. I wonder how cooked NDX is right now. $25. This candle's about to flip green. 25 130. What the fuck? Oh, those are puts, that's why. And they're already up 300. Fuck. Yep. Now they're up 600. That quick. I just want to see a quick harsh pullback to where we could get these contracts for like 14. I don't want to pay 2,000. What time is it? A new 30-minute candle is about to open as well. All right, let's see how 939 holds. If buyers are here, 939 would have to hold. We'd have to hold this 3-minute volume imbalance. Otherwise, we close back below this, and we probably stall out. This like 911 range is a fairly important level to where we could potentially just chop around this range. So 2-minute says we're continuously seeing more downside. 3-minute, we would need to see it close below 940 to get confirmation. We're going to see more downside right now. 5-minute, pretty much as long as we remain below 954, we see more downside. 15-minute, oh, we're just bearish all the way on a 15-minute. 15 and up, we're just like super bearish, like super, super bearish. Even 10-minute, super bearish. 9/11 hold or not? No SMT either. ES and NQ both took out those lows. I'm so tempted to take the stab here. Fuck it. This 3 minute has to hold this range. Has to close above 940. It's like super tight stop loss. That's why I'm even jumping in here. At the point to where we literally go back down and shit. Close below 911. We're out. I don't like that close though. That was a nasty close. We didn't get the close we wanted to see. Didn't get the close we wanted to see. Alright, let me stop scalping this shit. Let me just trade the trend. What are we at? 24.9999. Oh, 6, 7, 5, 2. Damn, 911 range. Pretty much we flip bullish if we close above 955, which would give us some type of retracement. That 911 range is pretty much holding up right now. So if we close below 911, we see more downside. If we close above 955, we see more upside. Once we actually get the close, I am going to take this trade and use the decent size scalp and get the hell out. And yeah, probably call it a day. Once either close above at 955 or close below 911. Ideally would like to see the downside, it's just with the trend, but I'm willing to scalp just because of how volatile it is. Even if we do get a close and we see a literally a 5 minute candle push up to 25,000, 50-point move will probably give us like a 60-70% trade, honestly. Or do we finally close below 911? We'll see. Time will tell. Still not able to close. Oh, we got the close below 911. Cool. And now we just start dumping. Holy shit. Market's not giving me much of a break today. Market is not giving me much of a break today. Oh my god. By the time I try to get in, now I have the shittiest fill on earth. The shittiest fill. We're coming down to the relative equal lows. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, no, 3-minute close below 911 as well. Everything did it. Nice. All right, we'll add here. The actual setup here. Average down. Prices has remained below 933. That one fuck up just messed up my whole execution. One single fuck up led to my messed up execution. Because yeah, high key, this thing looks like it wants to try to shift bullish, and if it doesn't, it's probably still gonna go test 954 right now. Uh, uh, uh. There goes the 954 test. 45 seconds left. The close above it, I'll be stopped out, and I will be done for the morning. But the bright side is, this is going to lead to some type of retracement if we do get a 5-minute close above 932. Personally, I'm not going to take the retracement. I got some errands to run here at 11. Yeah, we got the close. Yeah, I'm not taking that retracement, me personally, even if it shoots up. Um, yeah, just shitty execution on my part. Um, First shitty execution day of the entire year. So it is what it is. It is what it is. That's life. That's trading. It's the first day you guys could ever say you've seen me trade shitty. A day in your life. But yeah, we're gonna likely retrace a bit, probably consolidate a bit, and then probably come take out these relatively low range. Pretty much we shift back bearish once we close below like 915. As long as we're above 915, we're continuously bullish. What do we have here? We have an hourly. Based on the 1 hour time frame, pretty much 18 minutes left. So 18 minutes left in this hourly. If the hourly does reclaim 27, we're gonna see a lot more upside. Yeah, it's looking like it's trying to reclaim 27. New 15-minute candle here in 2 minutes. Dropping on the 15-second. See if we reclaim 27 here. First, we'd have to close above this 5-minute volume imbalance. So pretty much would have to claim 25K. We reclaim 25K, we reclaim 27. Oh my God. I've been talking this whole time. Wow. Mic's been muted. Holy. Um, all right. I don't know at what point my mic has been turned off, but pretty much if we close above 25K, we end up closing above 25, 27. Wow, I really want to know how long I was muted. Oh, wow. Um, let's see, 6 seconds left. All right, we should push up from here. A little bit of SMT divergence. NQ just took out this previous 3 minute high, or not NQ, ES did, NQ didn't. This price action is funny. Oh, the way this 3 minutes reacting right now, it's likely going to close red, and then the following candle is what pushes us up. There's a new 5 minute candle as well that just opened. 10 minutes left in the hourly. We'll see. I do got about 5 more minutes. I have a meeting. I got a meeting. I got an interview. Be on the lookout for the interview. It's with a very big and well-known company. And the only hint I can give is 30, 30 under 30. Oh, this is pretty much a make or break spot. Either we close above 27 and we see some more type of retracements to the upside. If we close below 27, next hourly candle, we'll likely see more downside. All right. Rocket Lab. What are we doing? Up 15%. All right. 3 minutes left. Pretty much, like I said, if we close below 21, we see more downside, likely in the next hourly candle. Close above pretty much like 33-ish. That's a fair enough level. Let me find the exact level. 29, 30. We'll just call it 30. If we close above 30, likely we see more retracement, which honestly would be a good thing because then we could just take this back down. Again, this is the first day you guys have ever seen me have shitty execution. Um, yeah, still no excuses, no excuses. But yeah, just pissed about my execution. But it is what it is. We got power hour. I'll go to the gym, clean that shit up, come back, and let's end the day green. But yeah, I will see you guys later at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock sharp. If you don't have notifications on, turn on notifications. You'll know exactly when we go live. We'll be live at 3 o'clock for SPX Power Hour. And I will see you guys then. Yeah, Skimmy. Yeah, I fucked up. I fucked up. I know. I fucked up. I fucked up. It's all good. But like I said, what's that? What is it? The line from Wolf of Wall Street where he's like, I don't ask you guys to judge me on my winners. I ask you guys to judge me on my losers because I lose so little. And that's the reality. You're here every day. You see it in real time. So think about the bigger picture. I know how it is when you're unprofitable. You can only think about right now. But think about the bigger picture. I've already made you guys a shit ton of money this week. A shit ton of money this month. A shit ton of money this year. One little bad trading session shouldn't hurt you. And if it did, fix your risk management. And on that note, I will see you guys at 3 o'clock.